Hi, I'm Dr. Mindy. I've been practicing veterinarian for over 20 years. Today we're going to talk about ear problems. Does your pet come running when you call them, or do you often wonder if they're ignoring you? For mine, I think it's often the latter. But if your pet has an ear infection, they really may be having trouble hearing. Ear infections are one of the leading causes for veterinary visits. There are many reasons why pets have more ear problems than we do. First of all, our ear canals go horizontally directly to our eardrum. Pets have an outer vertical canal that goes down and then inward. This allows moisture and debris to build up and may cause ear problems. Secondly, many breeds have a lot of hair in their ears, which can also hold in debris. Finally, many breeds have large ear flaps, which can lay against the head and trap airflow and cause more problems. Signs to look for to see if your pet is having an ear problem is scratching the ear, rubbing the ear on the ground, or if you see a lot of discharge or a really smelly discharge from the ear. Routine cleansing with Vetericyn Plus ear rinse can help remove a lot of the dirt and debris that can lead to ear infections. To do this, simply hold up on the ear flap of your dog's ear, apply a few drops to the ear canal, gently massage the canal, and then using a cotton ball or clean gauze, wipe away the excess moisture. Using Vetericyn Plus ear rinse weekly can help reduce the incidence of ear infection and can remove the pollutant and debris that can cause irritation and make your pet more comfortable. Vetericyn Plus ear rinse is safe if licked or ingested, it's non-toxic, and does not sting or burn. For more information, visit vetericyn.com.